Hey, this is Joey with Homemade Caregivers. This week, let's talk about medication noncompliance in the elderly. Everybody knows it's hard to keep up with your medicine. Your family members, sometimes it's just they forget. Some of them don't want to pay for the medicine. Some people just don't have a system set up to take medicine because the caregiver doesn't remember or the caregiver's not there. They get busy in life. There's things happening. Everybody's heard of pill planners. You can go buy them anywhere. That's a good place to start. Having a good list is a good place to start, an updated list, one that you look at not just once a year, but pretty often. And so many people go to the doctor so many times and the medications change so often. It's a good place to start is making sure your list is current. You can work with your healthcare provider on that. But when you look at your medicines, make sure there's just not medicines you don't need there. Keep it as organized as you can. If I'm not organized, I can't think. So it helps me to be organized, but it sure helps somebody that's got a lot of other things going on, whether it be medical or cognitive decline or whatever. But there's no reason not to look at every option you can, because there's a lot of things out there, whether it be those pill planners. They have medication dispensers now. You can get phone calls. You can put alarms on your phone. Use whatever it takes to make sure you're compliant with your medication regimen, because it prevents a lot of problems. A lot of people go back in the hospital because they don't take their medicine correctly. And sometimes even I think people have medication issues that make them look like they have another condition maybe that they don't have. They're just taking the wrong medicine with the wrong medicine, something they're not supposed to do, the doctor told them not to do. So just be aware that all these problems need to be looked at pretty often. If you need anything, give us a call, 903-533-1300. Our website's homemadecaregivers.com. Follow us on Facebook. I'd like to be of value to you any way we can.